Good morning, afternoon. If you're just tuning in for the first time, my name is Dan Campbell. Welcome to Tales of a Frigate Bird. Episode 16. Well, episode 16 was going to be a comparison. The Kelly Slater Surf Ranch versus the Waco Pool in Waco, Texas. And on our final day, epic trip, epic footage, epic crew on our final day. The GoPro with all of the footage that I normally have in my mouth got sucked into the bowels of the Waco surf machine. Apparently never to be seen again, or maybe seen again in December when they drain the pool and hopefully save the CF card. Apparently the GoPros just get beat to crap, get covered in wax, and never ever will work again. So, episode 16, there isn't one. And I guess I'm here to tell you that you should dump your footage between every session, every chance that you get. That is the take on this. Episode 16 might just come out in December. It's really unfortunate. It pisses me off, but it kind of makes me change things up. I wanted to change the dates on when my shows aired, so I'm thinking now instead of on the 15th of every month, I think it's going to be on the first Tuesday at 5 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And this is it. That's the episode. I have a little bit of drone footage from the wave pool, but really there is nothing to show. But I am jumping on the plane tomorrow. I'm in California right now, in Encinitas, California. I'm jumping on the plane tomorrow morning and headed across the ocean to home to Hawaii. Tuna are on the bite, the big yellowfin are on their way, the ahis are on their way, boats are ready, it's summertime, and we're gonna go fishing. Episode 17 is coming on the first Tuesday of next month at 5 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. I will see you then.